Girl, your father is a king. Don't forget whose you are. You're the daughter of.
Okay, you guys. So my daughter has to, my daughter and my son has a project to do about their culture. So, their dad is about a culture. Their dad is Jamaican, so we are doing their project on Jamaica. My daughter wanted to make a poster board. So I'm making this shirt because I'm planning on making like a little girl, and I'm gonna cut her face out so her face can go there. But I don't have a shirt, so I use one of my son's old onesies, and I'm trying to recreate a look. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna insert a picture to show y'all. But over there, I brought some tulle to make a dress, and then my son wanted to do a book, so this is his book. I gotta go back to the Dollar Tree because I gotta get some more letters, but this is gonna be like about the author, table of contents or context, excuse me. And so he's not finished his yet, but we are going bowling tonight for his birthday. That's what he wanted to do. So we're waiting for my husband to get home. I still got to get ready and throw something on. But I just wanted to show y'all. This is like, I've been enjoying helping them do this. Like, I've never been this creative, and I feel like my creative juices are like really flowing because I am getting into content creation. So God has been blessing me with a bunch of witty ideas. Usually in the past, I would print out a bunch of pictures and just, write some stuff with them. But this time I wanted to be a little bit more creative, and so yeah. That's the sign, and they don't have a sign in their building, but we made it to the bowling alley, and we are celebrating this birthday boy. Say hello to my YouTube. Hi. And you want to say hi, Mackenzie? Hi. So let's go.
All praises to the God above. Not a little, but a lot of love. You want heaven, everybody does, but the little I'm giving is not enough. I got sin in my system, I'm throwing up. Got a God up in heaven, I want a cup. How to have me a taste of that finer stuff. No more Dolce Gabbana, Cubana buzz. I'm not the man that I thought I was, cause I don't know the man that I thought I was. Got a chill in my spine that's a product of everything now that he brought me from. Look at me rep him. I'ma give everything every day 24/7. My gotta be left for the pressure. I'll be a fool if I die. My tongue in a weapon. I'm tired of playing it safe. Then my God to give his body, just sharing the grace. I've been in private party just trying to escape. She done call me daddy, but that ain't replace him, no. I was living in the world trying to vacate. Fitted with the crowd, but it ain't safe. I done gave it all, but it ain't changed. Till I put him in a plan that it can't break. I used to pray that they believe me, but honestly, I don't believe me. I had trust on my own on the home front, so I know that this walk isn't easy. When I lack in patience, I'ma have some gracious. How you want relation, no communication? I just hope the cases got a reservation. I'ma keep on praising with no hesitation. I'm covered up by the blood. I can't get over the buzz. He saved me from what I was. I'ma just praise him because I know I'm here cause of love. Sent from them heavens above. Call it the heavenly plug. How you gon' praise him enough? Grateful. Because he pulled me out the darkness. He changed my ways when I was heartless. Grateful. He paid the price and never charged us. Saying you can never hold us. Live. Honest. Whipping that work, I'm astonished. Live on the truth and the promise. Blessings gon' shoot out bionic. Let's go. Grateful. Lord, I'm so grateful. I was empty on the surface, searching for a purpose. Lord, I need your love and affection. They say that I'm trapped in a wave, surfing never in a certain direction. I know my Lord is all over the place, Satan, you can never find a connection. The God I serve right now, when he talk, you better pay him attention. Underlay. To see the pain, I had to run away. And if the Bible is the AK, to praying like a beat of gunplay. No winner section, just a one way. Woke up this morning still breathing and no stress and call it a bliss. I was down there, came up and you ain't seen what I done seen, I'm full of out the mud to the ceiling, I caught a blast. The devil tryna drag my soul, I don't see him. Devil try to drag my life, but he don't know who I believe in. Sun shining on my face, I don't deserve. All this grace on me, and I ain't worried. Yeah, I call it bliss. Every morning to try, that's a bliss. Everything you appear is a bliss. Curve all that stress, Yahweh, hallelujah. Came a long way from the trailer parks, eating ramen noodles. Free from them payments, no more thugging out. Left the streets and put up shots, so you be down all bad, stressing like I need a bag, yeah. Don't like it hard without no cash, yeah. Hard times when you lacking, but all them lessons is a blessing. Them hard times is a bliss. Every time that I was down there, they gon' see my resurrection. For the time they try to drag my name, for the time they try to bury my soul, I rise again. Don't need no Percocet, don't got no rest on me. Don't need no.
No, it's just my channel. I want everything comes with.
Everything?
Yeah, what comes with it?
Tomato, ketchup, mustard, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, onions.
No pickles.
Everything but pickles?
Oh, y'all got a slushy machine. Y'all got a slushy machine?
It's not working.
I'll do ice water. What you get? You should get some pizza. I got the chili cheese. I mean, I got cheese fries and a cheeseburger. You should no, because what about if you want to get something different? They got fried chicken. They got fried chicken.
That's a fried chicken sandwich.
Oh, so yeah. Okay. They got both.
Give me a chicken sandwich with the fries.
You sure? Okay.
Fried chicken sandwich?
Yeah.
Green one on it?
What comes on it? Oh. Cheese, mayo, and ketchup. What all you want on it? I'm glad you came over here. Lettuce, tomato. I did mayonnaise. Y'all got jalapenos? You want jalapenos? Jalapenos. You want chili cheese fries? I mean chili cheese or chili cheese?
Chili cheese. Chili cheese?
Yeah.
Y'all, but he's not strong enough to not compete.
I am so hungry. I don't remember eating today. Usually when I drink coffee, I don't be hungry. But I just ordered us some food.
Oh no, your ball coming. It's coming. Come sit down back here.
Give me that one. Are you gonna eat that in charge? tasting?
Mackenzie, it's your time. It's your time.
That's a good thing. How's that not?
Look how you squeeze my bread.
Want my mom? You like some? Are you beating me? You beating me? I gotta get back focused. That burger good. Look how many
That
people
girl
are.
split that ball.
Oh, you didn't get nothing to drink?
Mango carrots.
You didn't get nothing to drink? You not thirsty?
Yeah, it's your time.
Y'all, I spoke too soon. My husband beat me in this game. So now we starting over. Because I got to get my lick back.